Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Android Quickshare. Quickshare is an Android feature that allows you to send files, photos, videos, and other content to nearby devices wirelessly, and it uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to transfer files quickly without requiring cables or messaging apps. Both devices should have Quickshare enabled for the transfer to work smoothly. To begin, unlock your Android device and make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap Quickshare to enable the feature. Tap this to turn on the Bluetooth. Choose your device visibility settings if prompted, then go to Send section. Open the app containing the file you want to share. Then select the photo, video, document, or other item you want to send. Tap the share icon. Select Quick Share from the list of sharing options. Wait while your phone searches for nearby compatible devices. On the receiving Android device, enable Quick Share and make the device visible and go to the Receive section. Back on the sender Android, tap the name of the receiving device when it appears on your screen. Ask the recipient to tap Accept on their device and wait for the transfer to complete successfully. Open the received file on the destination device to verify that the transfer was successful. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.